Good morning. Welcome to this quiet space. A gentle beginning before the noise of the day arrives. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let your shoulders soften, your hands relax, your jaw unclench. Allow yourself to fully arrive in this moment. Maybe you just woke up. Maybe your mind is already busy thinking about the day ahead. That's okay. Let it all settle and come back to your breath. Feel the air moving in and the air moving out. Notice how each breath gently reminds your body you're alive, and that's enough right now. You don't need to fix anything. You don't need to prepare for everything. You just need to be here. Notice what it feels like to simply exist without rushing. The quiet hum of the room. The way the morning light touches the walls. The soft sound of your breath. Every part of you is safe to relax now. Let your forehead smooth. Let your eyes rest gently behind closed lids. Let your breath slow down a little more. Imagine each breath washing away what's left of yesterday. The tension, the noise, the little worries you carried to sleep. With every exhale, something loosens. Your chest feels lighter. Your thoughts quieter. You're not trying to be perfectly calm. You're simply creating space inside yourself for calm to enter. Now, gently bring your awareness to your heart. Feel the quiet rhythm that's always there, even when your mind is busy. That rhythm is your anchor. Stay with it for a few breaths, letting each inhale soften you, and each exhale release what you don't need. You can whisper silently to yourself, "I am here. I am safe. This morning, I choose peace." Let those words sink in, and let your breath flow naturally, without effort. You might notice a small warmth in your chest, or a softness spreading through your body. Let that feeling grow, like sunlight slowly filling the room. Each new breath carries a quiet message. Today doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to begin from peace. So, as you prepare to start your day, remember, calm isn't something far away. It lives here, in every pause you take, in every deep breath, in every gentle moment of noticing. Take another breath in, slowly, and exhale all that you no longer need. Let your shoulders drop one last time. Feel the ground beneath you, steady, supportive. Notice how it feels to be grounded, to trust the stillness beneath everything that moves. Now, bring your attention to the space around you. the sounds, the light, the quiet movement of air. All of it holds you, without asking for anything in return. Maybe you can sense the world waking up outside. A faint sound of life, a bird, a distant car, the slow rhythm of a city, or the stillness of the countryside. Let it all blend into your breathing, the world inhaling and exhaling with you. For these few minutes, you don't need to be anywhere else, or anyone else. You are enough, exactly as you are right now. Take this quiet strength with you into the day. Let it stay beneath your words, beneath your actions, beneath everything that comes your way. If the day becomes heavy or loud, you can always return here, to this simple rhythm, to this safe breath, to this space inside you that never rushes. Feel your breath deepen once again, in through your nose and out through your mouth. Let it feel easy, like the morning itself. Now, bring a gentle smile to your face, not forced, just a soft reminder that peace is something you can carry, not something you have to chase. Notice how your body feels now, lighter, more open, ready to move through the day with presence. Take one final deep breath in. Hold it softly and release. Thank you for sharing this morning with us. Goodbye for now.